So here we got Anthony. He's coming back to see us. This is his 6-month follow-up. We did lipogems on both of his knees. He actually came to see me because his wife was coming to see me, not because he had an appointment. And I just kind of caught him, and he wanted to tell us a little bit of how he's doing. He had bone-on-bone advanced osteoarthritis on both knees. He needed a knee replacement, but he wanted to avoid that for now, and he tried the Lipogem. So tell me a little bit first about how your life was before the procedure. What are some of the things that...
Well, I was having real problems standing up like that, okay? Now I can get up and down by myself without, having a cane or something. My knees were so weak, all right, that I couldn't even walk for any distance. Now, this one is about 90% better. This one is about 80% better. And hopefully, they'll keep getting better. Absolutely. I mean, it's fantastic. Due to physical therapy, the doctor